Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. There was a big change yesterday. I just was having a bad mental health day. So I needed comfort food. So I put together quickly the comfort rice that you saw in the picture. It was really good. I'm glad I wrote it down. Yeah. So today it's going to be kind of a deja vu day. I'll be doing the dishes from Moldova tonight. I did get a lot done yesterday. The two major projects I needed to get done are basically one is done, and the other, I got my part done, so it's now back off to the editor. The project that I got done yesterday, I'm going to premiere at 10 o'clock this morning at Pacific time. I hope you like it. So 10 o'clock, be there. So I'm going to keep this really short. Have a great day. Oh, by the way, if you live here in at least in Sutter County, California, the weather is supposed to be very nice. No rain today. We got about an inch, a little bit over an inch yesterday, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report. So, yeah, supposed to be really nice all through Veterans Day. Enough Al Roker. All right. By the way, next week's menu is being basically changed. 6 of the 7 recipes are being changed. I've decided to go a totally different angle next week. I'm basically holding up, not going to be doing any Culinary Expedition menus or the recipes next week. You'll just have to wait and see what I have in store for next week. The only thing that's not changing is date night. The rest of it, I'm just going to postpone and hold off for a week or two, possibly. I don't know. We got Thanksgiving coming up. That, yeah. Put my grocery list together yesterday for Thanksgiving. Have you? Mine's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Oh, like I said, I'm trying to keep this short. So we got changes in the menu next week. I got my big premiere at 10 o'clock this morning. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.